Yeah, good question, Eric. So, number one, make sure your spare tire is actually aired up. You don't want to have a flat tire, and then you go get your spare, and it's another flat tire, right? I got some tools in here that we want to pay attention to. Make sure you have your jack, a jack that actually works with your car, and the tools that go with it. Make sure that your L wrench or a four-way is available so you can take your tire off and your wheel. Make sure you know where your wheel lock key is for your wheels in case there are locks on your wheels. And then following that, super important, jumper cables. If you have a dead battery for whatever reason, it'll be a lot easier for somebody to give you a jump start than it is to call a wrecker service. And then, you always want to have rags because you'll be dirty by the time you get done fixing your flat tire. A good flashlight is super useful. Now, we all have cell phones with lights, but really a flashlight is always best. And if you're a little bit more adventurous and you like to fix your car on the side of the road, then you can always have a little kit like that. They're super inexpensive. You can buy one at Home Depot, Amazon, anything like that. But those would be the basic tools that I would suggest you have in your car.